Hello guys, my name is Chooks and you're welcome to this masterclass. Do you want to learn photography, editing, and you're hoping to master the craft of photography in the next few months or years? Then you're welcome to the right channel. I am a photographer in Benin, Nigeria. I saw the need of helping young aspiring photographers to master the skill and art of photography. On this channel, I'll be posting videos on a weekly basis. These videos will vary from tutorials that will be teaching you some basic skills that you will need in photography. We're also going to do some behind the scenes, showing you how we're able to achieve some great images. And lastly, we're going to take you into the magic world of Photoshop, where we can teach you the basic skills you need in editing as well as high-end professional retouching. As a young aspiring photographer, you may have one or two challenges. It could be finance, or it could be that you are so busy that you barely have the time to go out and learn photography. And that is the purpose of this channel, to make learning easy and convenient for you. So if you do not want to miss out on our future videos, please smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you, my friends, will be the first to be notified whenever we upload a new video in the week.